How to change Discord username. Changing your Discord username is quick and easy. Open Discord and look at the bottom left corner where your profile picture and username are. Click the gear icon labeled User Settings. In the Settings menu, select My Account. You will see your current username and a button labeled Edit. Click that button and you can enter your new username. Remember, Discord usernames include a 4-digit tag after your name, so you don't need to worry about uniqueness too much. After typing your new username, enter your current password to confirm the change. Once you hit save, your new username will be updated across Discord immediately. You can only change your username twice per hour, so choose wisely. Also, keep in mind your username appears in servers and friend list, so changing it too often might confuse people. Have you ever changed your username? Share what inspired your new name in the comments below. Now you can switch up your Discord identity whenever you want. Keep it fresh and personal. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.